Hello everyone. Do you know some animals carry their babies in a pouch? These amazing animals are called marsupials. Let's learn about them today. What are marsupials? Marsupials are a special type of mammals. Their babies are born very small and weak. After birth, the baby moves into the mother's pouch. There the baby grows safely. What is a pouch? A pouch is a soft skin pocket on the mother's body. Inside the pouch, the baby drinks milk and grows. The pouch protects the baby from danger. Examples of marsupials. Kangaroo. The kangaroo is the most famous marsupial. It lives in Australia. A baby kangaroo is called a joy. Koala. Koalas also live in Australia. They eat eucalyptus leaves. Koalas carry their babies in a pouch. Wombat. Wombats are strong animals. They dig deep burrows. Their pouch open backward. Wallaby. Wallabies look like small kangaroos. They are fast and very active. Where are marsupials found? Most marsupials live in Australia. Some are found in America. They are rare in other parts of the world. Marsupials are truly amazing animals. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.